Unraveling, momentarily, a deep dive into its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to delve into a word that often causes confusion, momentarily. This word is commonly used but frequently misunderstood. So, let's clear up any confusion and learn how to use momentarily correctly in our everyday conversations. Momentarily traditionally means for a moment or briefly. It's often used to describe something that happens for a short duration and then stops. For example, the lights flickered momentarily implies that the lights flickered for a brief time and then returned to normal. It's important to understand this basic definition because it's the foundation for more complex uses of the word. In modern usage, momentarily has evolved to also mean in a moment or soon. This is especially common in American English. You might hear an announcement at an airport saying, "The flight will be boarding momentarily." This doesn't mean the boarding will happen briefly. It means it will begin soon. This dual meaning can sometimes lead to confusion, but the intended meaning is usually clear from the context. Let's look at some examples to understand how momentarily is used in different contexts. 1. Traditional use, briefly. He paused momentarily before answering the question. 2. Modern use, soon. The manager will be with you momentarily. These examples show how the context can guide the meaning, whether it's something happening briefly or something about to happen soon. One common mistake is using momentarily when you mean currently or at the moment. For example, saying, "I am momentarily at the office," is incorrect. Instead, you should say, "I am currently at the office." And that's a wrap on momentarily. I hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this word for you. Remember, English is a living language, and words like momentarily can evolve over time. Keep practicing and stay curious about the words you encounter. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.